How to use Xarvio Connect in your daily life. With Xarvio Field Manager, creating variable seeding and application maps is easy, fast and intuitive. But we know that transferring those tasks to your terminal has always been a bit of a hassle until now. You can leave your thumb drives at home because Xarvio Connect is a device that links your machines to Xarvio Field Manager. When using Xarvio Field Manager, you can find the Tasks section at the top of the screen. Click on the icon and select the tasks you want to transfer to your terminal. Then click Export. You can bundle different seeding and application maps for the whole day and send them over in one package. Choose Xarvio Connect and select the device you want to send the task to from a list of all your connected devices. Choose the type of terminal the Xarvio Connect is connected to and select the map file type best suited for your terminal. Then click Send Task. Now that we have sent out our tasks, we're ready to get to work. Your device connects with your terminal via USB. You can leave it permanently connected and switched on. Xarvio Connect will power on with your terminal. It automatically connects with the strongest mobile network provider in the area and receives the tasks you've sent with Xarvio Field Manager. The device has two modes. As soon as you turn on the device or the connected terminal, Xarvio Connect will start receiving tasks. While data is transferred, the signal light turns to red. This mode is called Transfer Mode. After synchronizing, the device switches to terminal mode automatically. In terminal mode, the signal light is green. In this mode, the terminal will recognize Xarvio Connect as a USB device. The terminal can now import the downloaded tasks from Xarvio Connect. This process can differ depending on your terminal, but this is the way you can do it with your Fendt Vario terminal. Once you have imported all the tasks and set everything up, you can start the job. With the seeding and application maps for fertilizers, crop protection and growth regulators that you create in Xarvio Field Manager, your machinery will now have a perfect blueprint of how to treat every field zone of your field in the optimal way, not just for fertilization. After the job is done, Xarvio Connect allows you to transfer as-applied maps from your terminal directly to the Field Manager. Make sure that the Xarvio Connect is in terminal mode. The signal light should be solid green. Then, export the maps you want to document in the terminal's menu to Xarvio Connect. After turning off the terminal, Xarvio Connect will automatically change to transfer mode. The device will start uploading your newly exported maps to Xarvio Field Manager, where you can find the details of all your documented jobs. This makes documentation easy and convenient. You can analyze your application and optimize future tasks even further. Precision farming has never been easier with Xarvio Field Manager and Xarvio Connect.